Hello friends, today we are going to learn human digestive system for standard 10, chapter number 6, life processes. As food is entered from mouth and journey of food begins with alimentary canal. Now let's look a diagrammatically presentation of human alimentary canal first. Name of the organ involved in human digestive system are tongue, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, diaphragm, gallbladder, bile duct, liver, pancreas, and appendix. Now let's begin with the root, exactly from where food is entered and which route they are following. Food is entered from mouth. Mouth contain tongue, teeth. Teeth break down the food into small pieces. Tongue can mix your food, and during this process saliva is secreted, which make your solid food into semi-liquid, semi-solid part. Now that food stuff is entered into esophagus. Esophagus follow peristaltic movement. By this movement, your food particles slowly and gradually entered into your stomach. Now from stomach, here food remained for 3 hours. After that 3 hours, food entered into your small intestine. After this, they are entered into large intestine. And after that, undigested food are moves out. They are excreted outside of the body. Now, which organ play important role for digestion of food is very much important, and we have to memorize their name of organ, digestive, enzyme, juices, which glands are involved, which part digest what kind of food. Now let's go through that slide. As I told you before only that food entered in your mouth. Mouth contains salivary gland which secrete salivary amylase. These amylase convert starch present in your food into sugar. Let me tell you here, the food starch is converted into sugar, but they are in disaccharide form. That is in the form of maltose. Next, that food is passed from mouth to the esophagus, peristaltic movement. And from that esophagus, food is entered into your stomach. Here food remains for 3 hours. Now stomach have the gastric gland which secrete gastric juices, which have 3 different enzymes. Names are dilute hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus. Now these 3 have different function. Dilute hydrochloric acid kill harmful bacteria that enter with the food. Whatever food we are taking, they may contain sometime microorganism. They are going to be killed by the action of dilute hydrochloric acid. Along with this, they makes acidic medium for the action of pepsin. They provide acidic medium. Now next enzyme is your pepsin. As the acidic medium provided by dilute hydrochloric acid, this pepsin can digest your protein. So let me tell you here, digestion of protein starts in your stomach. After that, along with these two enzymes, mucus is protecting the inner lining of your stomach from the action of dilute hydrochloric acid. Here pH is very acidic, which may cause acidity, which may cause burning of your inner wall of your stomach. So to protect your inner wall of your stomach, mucus will help you. After that, from stomach, your food is entered into your small intestine. After 3 hours, they are entering into your small intestine. Here, which gland is liver? Liver is the largest gland, which have enzyme named as bile juice. Bile juice provide alkaline medium for the action of pancreatic enzyme. Previously, the medium was acidic. Now, medium became alkaline. In alkaline medium, pancreatic enzyme can play their role. Breakdown of fat, whatever butter, ghee we had consumed, they are breaking down here into small globules. So enzyme can act upon. Which enzyme? Pancreatic enzymes will act upon this fat. Now action of pancreatic enzyme will see. Second gland, pancreas. Pancreas contain pancreatic juices. 3 juices we have to memorize: amylase, trypsin and lipase. So pancreatic juice contain these 3: amylase, trypsin and lipase enzyme. First enzyme amylase. Action of this amylase that can convert carbohydrate to glucose. Earlier I told you that in your mouth, salivary amylase can break down starch into sugar, that is maltose, that is disaccharides, but it has to convert to the monosaccharide. Glucose is a monosaccharide unit. Then second enzyme is a trypsin. Trypsin can convert proteins to amino acids. Whatever protein present in your food, they are start digested. Their digestion becomes start in the stomach, but final digestion complete in your small intestine. Then last, lipase. Lipase can convert fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Now this digested food entered into your large intestine. Here what happened? This large intestine doesn't contain any enzyme, but they have finger-like projection called villi, which can increase surface area. And because of what? Digested food, that is absorption of digested food, and whatever water molecules are present in your food, they can absorb. And this microvilli is directly come in contact with the blood. So digested food directly enter to your blood, then to the cell and different tissues. Then after that, undigested food, they are entering into anus and they are excreted outside from the body. Thank you.